So hey, in this episode, we'll check how we can dynamize these tags in the blog details page and this social icon area with the share feature of this blog details page. So let's get started. So for that things, we'll go on here with the content single. So in this content single page, you will see this tags and the tag cloud text here. So for dynamics this part, we will go here in this area, and for getting the tags we need to write here like take these tags. We'll create a variable first. Take these tags is equal get the tags, and we can bar dump this one here, that what is inside here. So we'll test it from here, var dump, then we'll check what's inside here. So before that, we need to make sure that the tags is available for this post. So in this tags area, we'll add some tags like tag page and like motion. So we have add two tags here. So we'll click on update now, and if I go here and give a refresh, you will see here some things as term ID, then the tags name. Okay. So for getting this value, as you can see, the first one is object. There is an array, then the inside the array there is object. So for the array, we need to operate an loop here. So for that, we will operate the loop called for each. Okay, so we'll start with for each loop. So for each with the variable name as only will make it like tag, then we will end our tag here, php end for each. So now here it's time to go here with this one. So in the href area, as you can see here in the href, so we'll, and as we have run the loop here inside, so we'll remove this first one, and in here we'll write php then echo. So for the href, we are having things get tag link. Now in the get tag link, we will see what is inside we need to put. So for the get tag link, we'll click on this one, the WordPress developer resource, and then we need to put the ID, tag ID or the object. Okay, so we need to put the ID here. So if I try with the term ID, so if I go like, so inside the tag we will find the ID. So in here we will go tag, then we will take this ID, this term ID, then we'll check that if it's working or not. So and in here in the lawyer part, the tag name, in here we will operate like this php, then again we'll write esc.html, because we don't want that other text come inside this. So we'll go here like tag, then term ID, then it will be the name. So as you can see the value there. Now if I remove this var dump or commit it out and give a refresh here, in the tags it is blank, so let me check what is the reason. We'll check here again with the what is the reason that the data is not showing. So we'll var dump again here from the tag for accessing the term ID. We need to go like this, and if I give here a refresh here, so we need to echo here. Okay, we forgot one thing to do here in the in this here in the HTML part, this one here we forget to echo. That's why the data was not showing, I think. So if I give a refresh now, and yeah, you can see this text. Okay, and in the href area, follow the href area here. In the href you can see the tag text, then the motion, then in here the tag, then the tag names again. So and one thing also we need to follow here, that is this one, this tag text text. So if there is no tag, then what it will show, or if there is only one tag, then what it will show. So for these tags we will make some conditions here, that is if, okay, we need to write some php quotation here, php, then uh, if count, so as this is an array, so if count of this variable is bigger than 1, okay, is bigger than 1, then we will set the tag text to, we'll set the double underscore here for the things that we need. So we'll set it to tag, and then comma, then the translation name here, TechBeach, and then else it will be tags, and this tag text I will put it here with the conditions, echo, then the variable name. Now if I give a refresh here and see, this is okay, then the condition is wrong. If count of if the count is bigger than 1, then it will be tags, and if it less, then it will be tags. So if I go here and give a refresh now, so that is bigger than 1, so the text will be now tags. Okay, so now it's time we check this social icon. As you can see here, the social share. So we'll go here, and for this social share we need to use API. So I have made it for you guys, because it's a little bit tricky things. We need to use some sharings for the Twitter. We need the Twitter API for the Facebook. We need the Facebook share API for the Pinterest. It is completely free. That's why these four things are free: Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So I have made a functions here. I will put this one in the description, so you can copy that from there. So if I have already made this one with the functions, and I have placed it in the techbiz functions.php file. And if I make you understand that we have put the URL, so we have take the URL first, then the site, then we have take the title here, and in the Twitter URL they support site title and again the URL. In the Facebook they only support the URL and for the Pinterest, as you can see here the link, and in the parameter they support URL and then media, and inside the media we have set the thumbnail URL, then in the description area we have set the title of that post, and in the LinkedIn we have set the URL and we have set the title here too, and in the content we have just put the li and a things here, and the href that is coming from this here, this one here with the social icon. So now I will just copy this TechBiz social sharing buttons and I will paste it here in this one. Okay, so I'll write the PHP and paste it here. Okay, as you can see here, we have make it to return content, then we need to echo here. So we need to echo here, and for this social icon text, as you can see, so we need to make it translatable. So we will make it like PHP echo ESC HTML, then double underscore. That is the important thing here, and then the bracket, and in here in the first bracket we will put the social icon text, and in the second one we put the translation text name, which is TechBiz. And now if I give a refresh here, now you will see here the Facebook, then Twitter, then Pinterest, and then LinkedIn. So now if I click on the Facebook icon now, parameter href should represent a valid URL. Okay, this is not a valid URL because it's in local. Okay, so if I go for the Twitter, yeah, so it will be shareable because it has completely this one, and the Facebook is throwing the error, the parameter href is having some problem. So if I go here in the href of the Facebook, maybe they have changed their if I go in our live site, so if I check now with the live one, then let's see what is the problem now. So we'll go here on the TechBiz one /blog. Okay, if it's throwing an error, then let's see what would be the possible solutions here. Now if I go here in this details page, and if I click on the social icon, of Facebook, as you can see, this one is perfectly working. So you need, as I am working on localhost, that's why the Facebook URL is not working in the localhost. And you can see that the Twitter is perfectly working. Then I'll go for the Pinterest. As you can see, the Pinterest is also working. So I need to just post here, and the one thing remaining, that is LinkedIn. So I'll click on the LinkedIn button. So here also the same thing. So if I click the LinkedIn button in the live one, then I think it will work. As you can see here, now it's loading. So some things need to be on the live side. As you can see, I'm working on the localhost. That's why Facebook and LinkedIn is not working, and it is working perfectly on the live side. So this way you can make it dynamic your tags and social icon share area. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.